In this video, we're going to go over the Pro features of VideoProfiteer. If you've upgraded to Pro and you want to access your Pro features, you can come over here to Campaigns. You can either add a new campaign or you can edit a current one. And you'll notice that you have two additional tabs here, which I will go over. But let's start with the autoresponder. One of the great features about having a Pro account is that you can add more than one autoresponder. So if you had a basic account and you tried to add additional autoresponders, you probably got an error saying you could only add one autoresponder for each campaign. With a Pro account, you can add multiple autoresponders to the same campaign. You also have the ability on the verification page to select opt-in. Now what this does is instead of the customer having to pay to access your protected video, they only need to opt in order to get access. So this is a great feature if you're trying to build your list. And I'll go ahead and show you how this works. Currently, I do not have the opt-in box checked. So if we go to the page where my video is hosted, and somebody tries to enter in an email that is not purchased, they will get this "you are not a valid user" message. But if I come back and I check the opt-in and I click the save button, I can now refresh my page, come down here to the protected video, enter in an email, click to verify, and now have access to that protected video. You also have the ability to create test users. Now, test users are great if you want to give the content away for free. You simply enter in the email for the person whom you want to give permission to be able to view that video here in this box and click on save. That will add them here. And if you want to ever remove that access, you can simply click on the delete button. Now, I already had this email in here, so if I were to come back to my page where the video is hosted and enter in that test email and click to verify, that test email person will gain access and without having to pay to view the video. One of the other features you have, and maybe even the most important feature, is the alerts option. So here you have the ability to create many different alerts to help keep you notified of everything that's going on with your protected video or your payments in general. You can choose to be notified when a payment is reversed, when a payment is refunded, when a payment is completed, as well as successful view to the protected video. Now, the successful view to protected video is great because if people are paying to watch your video, you want to make sure that people who have not paid are not getting access. And what I mean by that is that your customers are not sharing their emails so that other people can view the videos that they've paid for. So to set up this alert, we'll just select successful view to protected video. And we can go ahead and put in any email address we want here. The count for the condition is maybe 10, or it can be 100. Simply put in a title, which could be something like suspicious activity, and the content you want sent to your email about this notification. The content is compatible with ShortKey, so you can simply put in brackets and email and the message you want to send yourself when you're notified about this alert. So it could be something like, person has viewed multiple times in a day, consider sending them an email, or anything else you'd like to put in here. This is the time period that you'll have to choose from. So if you want to know if somebody has watched your video 10 times within a day, you might consider that to be suspicious activity. Then we just simply click on Add Alert. Now, if this email address ends up watching this video more than 10 times in a day, you'll get notified via email so that you can decide if you want to send them an email, cancel their account, or anything else you need to do to take action to make sure that your product is fully protected. Same goes with payment reversed, payment refunded, and payment completed. You can add as many of these alerts as you wish for as many different emails as you would like to keep track of. And that's how you use the pro features that you have in your VideoProfiteer account.